Hey there, future explorers. Welcome to 2025, where AI isn't just something in sci-fi movies. It's your daily assistant, brainstorming buddy, and productivity superhero. In today's video, I'll show you how to use AI like a pro, whether you're a student, creator, small biz owner, or just someone who wants life to be a little easier. Grab your coffee and get comfy. This is going to be a game changer. First up, meet your new virtual BFF, AI assistants. These tools now schedule your meetings, reply to emails, plan your grocery list, and even remind you to drink water. Because yes, we all forget. With smart apps like ChatGPT, Claude, and others baked into calendars and inboxes, managing your day has never been smoother. It's like having a 24/7 assistant who never takes a sick day. Calling all creators, AI in 2025 can write scripts, design thumbnails, edit videos, and even help generate viral captions. You just feed it your vibe, your brand, and boom, you're ready to post. It's like having a creative team in your pocket. No more staring at a blank screen wondering what to say. Students, listen up. AI is your cheat code for smarter learning. No, not actual cheating. We're honest over here. From summarizing long readings to explaining math problems step by step, AI tutors are here to help you ace that test. You can even practice languages with them. Bonjour, future fluent self. If you've got a business or a side hustle, AI is your secret weapon. Need a product description? AI writes it. Need a customer support reply at 3 a.m.? Done. You can automate boring stuff, stay organized, and focus more on growing your brand. Work smarter, not harder, right? And hey, it's not all work. Want to write a song, make AI-generated art, or create your own game storyline? In 2025, AI tools make creativity way more accessible, even if you have zero experience. Whether you're doodling for fun or producing a podcast, AI helps bring your wildest ideas to life. So there you have it. AI in 2025 isn't just a trend, it's your ultimate life upgrade. Whether you're leveling up your career, learning something new, or just making your day a little easier, AI's got your back. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more future hacks, and let me know in the comments how you use AI in your life. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative.